Hello everybody and welcome to Annie Talks. I'm your host Annie Rivera, and today's video we're going to show you one of my favorite recipes, the pasta salad.
Annie Talks, Annie Talks. Welcome to the show, here we go with Annie Talks. Annie Talks, Annie Talks. Welcome to the show, here's your host, it's Annie Talks.
Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're brand new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you've been here before, as always, thank you and welcome back. Today's video we're going to show you one of my favorite recipes, the pasta salad. But before we go on, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit this notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be notified. So now, without further ado, let's get started with the pasta salad. Okay, for the ingredients, I use a red onion and some bell peppers, and I like to use different colored bell peppers to kind of give it a nice colorful mix. I'll use a green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and a red bell pepper. And then I'll use the Kroger Zesty Italian salad dressing mix, followed by the Kroger salad rainbow twirls pasta. And then I'll use the Kraft fat-free zesty Italian salad dressing, and then some cilantro, and then last but not least, some cherry tomatoes. Okay, for the pasta, we're gonna go ahead and boil the pasta, so you wanna use the largest or one of the largest pots that you can find and just fill it up with water. And then we'll just go ahead and boil it. And then we add a little bit of oil just to separate the pasta from sticking together, and some salt. And while that's boiling, while the water's boiling, we're gonna go ahead and chop up all of the vegetables. In a small saucepan, you want to prepare the dressing, and this is how you do it. You will use your zesty Italian salad dressing mix and your zesty Italian dressing. You'll mix that together. And then we use the whisker to mix it all up nice and mixed. Next, we're going to start chopping all of the vegetables. And one thing I forgot to mention was you'll need a colander. You'll need a large mixing bowl so that you put all of the ingredients inside once you start mixing it. For your fresh vegetables, you want to make sure they're all nicely washed. So if you want to just wash them all together, you can start doing this. And then I like to start with the peppers first. Just make sure you scoop out all of the seeds so it's not included. Start by slicing the pepper and then chopping them finely to your desired consistency and desired sizes. Then you chop the yellow pepper in the same fashion, slicing first and then chopping finely to your desired size. And the same for the red pepper. Slice first, then chop. Next, start chopping the cilantro. Then add the cilantro to the rest of the mix. Next, start slicing and chopping the onions. Now, it depends on your preference, but I use the entire bulb. Some don't, some do. So again, use your preference. By now your water is nicely boiled, so let's add the pasta. I like the consistency just slightly cooked, not too soggy and not too hard. And then the last of the vegetables are the tomatoes. I like to slice the tomatoes basically in halves, sometimes in quarters, and then I add it to the mix. Next, you stir the noodles and check the consistency, and if all is good, then go ahead and drain it and rinse it with cold water to separate them from sticking together. And then add the rinsed pasta to the vegetable mix, and then add the salad dressing mix onto the entire pasta salad, and then mix together real well. And then after you've tossed the salad around a little bit, test it, taste it, and I guarantee you'll love it. Well, that's it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching the pasta salad recipe making. And if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And be sure to comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed this video, or if you have maybe another pasta salad recipe you'd like to share with all of us. Be sure to check back again for more Annie Talks and more celebration awareness videos and more DIYs and fitness videos. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit this notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Promotional consideration provided by Luxwear Trends, affordable, luxurious timepieces for every occasion, luxury that lasts forever, and that's what sets us apart from others. Find us on Facebook and Instagram, or visit luxweartrends.com. That's LUXE weartrends.com. Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment and like below. Hello once again, and okay, they're gonna bark in a minute. Okay, next when we start the, so next, that's what they call it, using the whisker.